What's up? Seductive Souls back. Got my new Lux Ace number 161, red, silver, and chrome. Now, sitting here watching TV, chilling. I got the VIRTUE SPIRE IV right here as well that came with the gun. So what I'm going to do is just do a quick video on how to connect the two, the gun to the hopper. So of course you open this. Here's the gun again in case you didn't watch the last video. Chrome and black. It says Virtue on the side. Has a Virtue logo on the grip, on the bolt. On the back it says Ace. On the other side, Virtue, where the hopper neck, it says Ace right there. Then of course under there, I don't know if you can see that, it says Ace 161. So yeah, pretty sick. So what I'm gonna do is just try to connect the two. Here's the instructions. It has, how is that, IFI Technology, start guide, of course the battery, charge it, the basic stuff. Tells you right here programming and adjusting. It says the VIRTUE Ace OLED display and smartphone app makes it easier to navigate your software options. We recommend downloading the VIRTUE Paintball Plus app from Apple iTunes or Google Play Store, and you can wirelessly program it with the app, or you can of course program your gun on the gun before you start, and that's the part that I'm trying to bypass. Of course the screen is different. I don't think it talks to you anymore. I turned it on, I didn't hear any noise, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna keep this right here, put that back, and then come over here to the Spire 4, and it has instructions as well. I don't know if y'all seen that bad boy, that chrome, very tight. The top mirror, badass. So quick start guide. Tell you start it, I'm gonna pause and go get some batteries. All right, I'm back. Quick start. Press the shell, open the back, remove the tray, add 3 AA batteries, reinstall, close the shell, turn it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. It's a little hard. I had a little trouble opening it earlier. There we go. Then this is the unlock right here. Press it, opens it up. Press this forward right here, unlocks it from the back, and pull up. It slides out. Careful with that because that's chrome. Then you flip this over, slide the straps back, install the batteries. Negative always goes where the spring is. I'm pretty sure you know that. You learned that in first grade. So real quick, while I have this like this, so they said 30% off an in-charge upgrade. So if you look at that picture, and here I'm guessing, oh, it's a battery. So it replaces the normal batteries, and it's like a battery pack, and then it lets you, it has a battery meter, let you know how good your batteries are and everything. So it would eliminate this 30%. I might check that out, but anyway, get back to this. Install the batteries, close the strap, careful with this, slide it in, push it down, it should lock. There you go, it's back in place. Close it back. Here we go. Okay, to turn on, press the power button on the back side of the loader. Power button right here at the bottom. It turned on. You see the lights blinking and it's spinning. So I'm gonna turn it off while I read the other instructions. Pair Spire with the marker. Okay, so now we're gonna come over here to my phone, go to the app store. I had already typed in Virtual Paintball to make sure, and let that install. So this is down, it's downloading. I'm gonna let it download and then I'll be back. All right, I'm back. As you can see, the app has downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on. Click, it has Spire 3. Oh, I guess that's just for them to sell it, but I click the Ace, turn on the Bluetooth, and as you can see, it's ready. So I'm gonna go here. It says to pair the Spire with the marker using the technology. Turn the marker on first. So turn this on, press and hold. It says Ace. There we go. It's on. So turn the Spire on also. It's on. You can hear the sound, see the lights. It says press and hold the rubber force feed button on the bottom of the loader to turn it on. Keep holding the force feed button until the light goes green, then release the force feed button. Pairing is complete when you hear a double beep sound. So I guess just hold this. No, that turned it off. So turn it back on. Oh, I guess it's this button right here on the bottom. So we're gonna press that. Nope, one beep. The light has to turn green and you'll hear a double beep, so I keep holding this. A double beep, it turned green but it didn't beep twice. Let's see now. I'll be right back. Let's see something. Okay, let's try a different approach. I didn't get my air, but I wanted to see something. So I'm gonna hold this. I turned the gun off. I turned the Spire off. So I'm gonna hold the button under and then turn the Spire on. Now it's a solid red. Now it's green. Let it go. It's green now. So it worked. It's green. Turn on the gun. The gun is turning on. There you go. You see it double beeped. The lights are blinking. And then it spun. So pull the trigger. And it should be good to go. Yeah. So it only goes when you pull the trigger. So it's been paired. It's blinking because of course there's no balls, but it only spins when you pull the trigger. So that's how you sync that. So I'll redo that again. I'm gonna turn the gun off. The gun's off. I'm gonna turn the Spire 4 off. Now, quick pairing. Hold the under button and turn the Spire on. You see it's a solid red. Now it's green. It let go. It's green. It double beep. That means it's ready to pair. It's green. It's green. Then you come back to the gun. Turn the gun on. Then this should, there you go. It double beeped. That means it's paired. And the green lights change to red. And it's blinking. And it only spins when you pull the trigger. So that's how you pair your Spire 4 to the Lux Ace. Pretty easy and simple. The light's blinking because there's no balls in there really. So yeah. But that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll be back with a shooting video.